Hello, in this video I'll show you how to replace the front brake pads on Citroen C-crosser. First we're gonna use a screwdriver to bring the cylinder back a little bit so that we can remove the brake caliper easier, and then we're going to remove the two bolts holding the brake caliper. If the video is useful, give the video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel to see more videos like this. The two bolts that hold the brake caliper are removed. Now we can remove the brake caliper and remove the brake pads. Before we put on the new brake pads, we're gonna grind them on the side so that they don't touch on the edges of the brake disc. Now we're gonna remove the old brake pads and put on the new brake pads. Next we're going to push the cylinder, the brake cylinder, with the brake caliper compression tool. And now we can put on the new cylinder. Because the bolts and the sliders are all in one, we're going to lubricate the sliders before putting them back in. Now we're gonna tighten the bolts, and that's it. Afterwards, don't forget to press the brake pedal a couple of times so that the cylinder returns back to normal position. Thank you very much for watching.